The national anthem. Your Excellency, with your permission.
Our son, Stanley Nwabali. Family, the great and wonderful people of Rivers State, to congratulate you, our dear brother, Stanley Nwabali. To congratulate him. You were here not almost a year, about 4 months back, with a local trophy. But today, you have brought a national, international trophy. So when people say, or they talk behind, what are we achieving? We achieve those things that are not, maybe you can't say it, feel it, but it gives joy and greatness. It gives fulfillment. It gives purposeful of life. It gives joy. If we have not encouraged you in a way that motivates you, you won't be where you are. So it's part of governance, purposeful governance, administrative efficiency. So I want to thank you and assure you that we'll continue to do our best. I'm also happy seeing one name that we used to hear those days. Finidi George. Takoradi. I'm happy to see you. And you're even looking young again. So we want to also thank the head of the sports department, the commissioner. I believe if he's not managing the team well, we won't be recording these achievements in sports. So continue to do your best. But in all, this state is our state. We should continue to make the state proud. We should encourage everything that will continue to promote the face of Rivers. The one I'm giving to you will rank like every other one. I bestow on you. All the formalities will be done later. Distinguished Service Star. And this is to encourage our young ones across the 23 local government area to motivate them and to know that we wish and look up to them for a better River State.
Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.